Hello. Oops.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. And your name is Shubham?
Subham.
Shubham?
Yeah, my name is
Shubham.
Subham.
Okay, nice to meet you, Shubham. My name is Mina.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
And let's see, your what country do you live in? Or what is your native
I live
language?
in India. Yeah,
India. Okay. So do you speak Hindi?
yeah, I speak Hindi, and
Hindi.
as well as I am trying to learn English.
Okay. So what kind of lesson would you like to do today?
So, can you tell me what are the varieties of lesson just you take on Cambly? So, according to that, I will shift myself.
Okay. Is this your first time calling?
No, I am
No, no.
on Cambly. Yeah, quite a lot time I have taken a lot of sessions.
Okay. So you want me to show you one? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so you can just
Okay.
speak up. No need to showing.
Okay. How about let's see, recycling. This is a intermediate level. Would you like to do this one?
Okay.
This
Uh,
one.
uh,
Let's see. Yeah, this one is about recycling. Do you know what recycling is?
so okay, I don't think these all these things are beneficial for me. Just I want to have a normal conversation with you. Okay.
Okay, sure. What would you like to talk about?
So the topic choice is yours, so you can take according to yourself.
Okay, let's see. Are you a student or are you working now?
No. Currently, I'm a student.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and
Yeah.
what are you studying? What's your major?
So I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's of engineering from a state engineering college.
Oh, okay. But I mean, what are you
Stream wise,
studying?
you
What?
are asking? Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
your major.
electrical engineering.
Oh, electrical engineering. Okay. I know nothing about that field.
Okay, no, it's
Okay.
okay. But can we skip all these routine question and comes to the unique or different or some such questions which I haven't faced yet?
Okay. Have you done any traveling?
Uh,
Traveling? Have you done
Not too
any
much.
traveling? Not too much. Okay. Let's see. Do you want to talk about things you do in your free time, like your hobbies?
Uh, I have already done this, so can we skip this?
Sure. I'm trying to, I don't know you, so I don't know like what your interests are. So that's what I'm saying.
So
Like my
according to
interest,
yourself, you can take. So yeah, your interest goes to which topic or
oh,
which field?
traveling.
Then you can
Yeah, my
specify
yeah, my
traveling.
interest is traveling.
Okay, so we can continue upon this.
Okay, so can you tell me about, I've never been to your country, so can you tell me a little bit about your country and what are some good places to visit for tourists?
Yeah, certainly, but I have not any visited too much the places. But for just knowing purpose, like that is a visiting place, and people of different countries often comes to visit the Taj Mahal. So that is the place, and there are many more places in other. Since I have not traveled too much, so I have not too
Mm-hmm.
much knowledge about the traveling or spaces what we can travel.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so can you tell me about the COVID situation in your country at the current time, at the present time?
Before some days, it were just having some crisis such we are facing of COVID, but currently we are just over through. Now we
Mm-hmm.
are not facing too much rules and regulations that is put in front by government, but certainly to be a good citizen, it's our responsibility to just follow the rules and regulations, putting masks, just having a good hygiene. So all these things
Mhm.
we are following, but at the same time, by the government element, we are not putting in such a restrictions or regulations. So now it's fine here.
So everyone's gone back to school and work and no more online. People aren't doing like
Yeah,
online
yeah.
schooling and online working from home.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
we are just having online as well as offline schooling as well, or we are in the college, so we are scaling attending physical classes. So that
Mhm.
is what is going on here.
Okay, so has most of the population been vaccinated, or
I
that's not
think so.
really a
Yeah,
requirement?
yeah.
Yeah.
Most
Okay.
of us are vaccinated. Yeah.
Okay. And can you tell me maybe your future plans after you graduate from university?
So just here, I want to ask you a question here. So what kind of life do
Sure.
you want to live?
What kind of life do I want to live?
Yeah.
I'm living it now. Um, I work from home. I work for myself all of the time, and I have free time to pursue my interests, such as
Okay.
traveling. And I've basically most of my life I've worked in the legal field, working with lawyers. So
Okay.
I've kind of retired from that profession. So I'm kind of what you call semi-retired. So now I have a lot of free time to pursue my interests. So
So
that's a kind of life that I've always wanted to have, but wasn't able to before because I was always working or going to school.
so what's your current age?
That's kind of a personal question, too personal.
No, no. Yeah. Basically, I want to just for that purpose, because because you are just older than me, then you can certainly give me some tips about life. How should I approach my life? That was the basic reason of asking that. Not too much
Oh,
other
okay.
what I mean. Yeah.
Okay, I would advise you to whatever your dream is in life, whatever your passion is, I would advise you to pursue it 100%,
Okay.
regardless, because there are many people that have dreams or goals of doing something in life that is not like your typical job, your everyday job, maybe an artist or musician or something like that. So, but your profession, an engineer, you'd probably be sure to get a job somewhere. But
Yeah,
outside
you're
of
right.
that, yeah, I mean, outside of that, I would also advise you to live your life while you're young instead of working, like working towards like retirement or like to save your money, like I'm going to do this when I retire, or I'm going to save my money and when I get older and I have, I feel more secure and I have a lot of money in my bank account, then I'm going to do all these other things. I would advise you to do them now because
Okay,
you
that
never.
means basically you are just concluding me to live your life in a free manner. That means you you don't have to think too much about what will happen in upcoming life. Live your life in today. What you are trying to say, basically, what
Yeah.
I could
What
conclude.
I'm trying to say is no, think about the future and certainly plan for your future and save money if
Yeah,
you can for
that
your
is great.
future.
But at the same time, you cannot put burden of that future. What you are trying to say.
Right, right. Live in the moment. Live in the
Yeah,
moment.
live in the moment. Yeah. Certainly you have to put an eye on your future, but at the same time
Mhm.
that future should not suppress you. That means you enjoy your current life as well. At the same time you have to keep an eye on your future, your savings, and all these things you have to do simultaneously. What you are trying to say.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, because many people put off doing things for the future instead of doing them today, and maybe something happens and they don't get a chance in the future.
Yeah, you're right. But who knows?
Yeah.
Sir, some point of time we don't know how much days we are left within in this world. So that is totally such type of going that we don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. So on that basis, any individual can be right or wrong, but it's only
Hmm.
thought. That means you have to think of your tomorrow.
Right, right. Like in there's a saying, none of us are promised tomorrow, meaning, you don't know if you're going to be alive tomorrow or the next day, or, and especially now with the COVID situation, I think it's kind of made a lot of people realize certain things maybe that they didn't think about before, because this is like a
So
situation that none of us have ever experienced before in our lifetime.
yeah, you're
So
right. So currently you are
yeah,
talking to which country?
America.
Okay, so is can you specify the place in America? That is it? It's
Sure.
Silicon Valley or California or whatever the place is.
Washington D.C.
Washington DC. Okay, so I have came across some places in USA. So that is great.
Mhm.
And what do you do in your free times?
I love to read books. I love to work out, exercise, be active. I love the outdoors. I love sunshine,
Okay.
being in
So
nature.
you have already told us that means you love traveling. So you are outdoorer as well. So I can just feel it from you have earlier mentioned.
I'm sorry, can you repeat? I have
Yeah, I said you said in the earlier part of conversation that you love traveling. So to being
traveling.
outdoor is your passion. Yeah. So that's what I can conclude
Oh,
from your conversation.
oh, well, when I said traveling, I mean, I want to become like a world traveler. I want to visit every country.
Yeah.
But as far as being outdoors, I just mean where I live. Like I love to go outside and walk, take a walk every day.
You know,
I
some
love
people some people don't want to travel. At the same time, they want. So what I said, that was basically what I mean.
hmm Oh, okay. I love to do both.
Hello.
But I'm not
Okay.
able to do the long distance ones, so I just do it locally
Yeah.
as
No,
much
that's
as I
great work.
can.
And yeah, you're right.
Yeah, spending time outdoors. It doesn't matter even in the winter months. Or if it's raining, or whatever the weather is, because we have four
That's great
seasons.
habit you are having. That's great habit you are having.
Yes, yes, I've had it for years, at least 5 days a week. Yeah, it's great exercise, and it's great for